Hello, I'm Amber Johnson, your Cheyenne Homes for Heroes real estate specialist. Have you noticed that houses are flying off the market and wondered what your home could sell for? A CMA, or comparative market analysis, is a tool we use to help you determine the value of your home. There are a few key factors that go into building a CMA on a property. We look for properties that are similar to yours: size, bedrooms, bathrooms, floor plans, upgrades, the age of the home, and so on. We also narrow our search to a specific radius around your home because at appraisal time, there are certain guidelines that must be followed. We also look at properties that have sold, that are pending, and active on the market within the last 6 months. After our research is complete, we build the analysis to accurately target a listing price and sales price for your home. So during this process, you should also receive a net proceeds sheet. This form breaks down your costs and estimates what you will make on the sale of your property. Cheyenne is currently experiencing a seller's market, and many homes that are priced right are receiving multiple offers. It is important to have a negotiating expert on your side to leverage this market to your benefit. With a skilled realtor on your side and a proper marketing strategy, you can expect a highly successful selling experience. Contact your favorite REMAX agent or contact me at 307-640-4355.